All right, check her out. We're going to unveil this bad boy. We don't need that. That's everything in there. So basically, you get this one hookup here that you can use, right? And this would go to your water valve, and this goes to the bottom of your universal flow valve. All right? These things are super easy to put in. I mean, they really are. It's harder to get them out of this bag than it is to install them. All right, here we go. So this does come with some directions that you won't need. And here it is, really. This is it. So this here goes on the bottom of your water closet. You follow me? You gotta unscrew it like that. And so this is gonna go into that one corner of your water closet. It goes like that, right? And this rubber piece that's on here, you see that? That is what keeps the water from popping out of there. Once that's through, then you gotta take these, slide them on, and you're gonna tighten this down to the bottom of the water closet, right? That locks it in the water closet. That's it, really. And then this just goes on here like this, and it just screws on, just like that. You follow me? All right. And then this you got to put on your valve, and your valve is that thing that's coming out of the wall. It's an on and off valve, and this just spins and it just tightens on. Then this part here is going to go on this little nodule, like that. Just get it on there like that. And sometimes it goes on top of your thing, and sometimes it just flows out. It all depends on the system that you've got. If you've got one of those Kohler systems, you got to connect it to the very top or middle of it. But that's it, basically. That is a universal flow valve, and that's the unboxing of it. And, you know, I already have this, so I don't really need this, but I'll save it just in case I have to use it for something else. But yeah, that's it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I install these things. Peace out.